Picky eating is common in young children. It can be frustrating for parents, especially during the holidays. Children's tastes are constantly evolving. What they dislike one day, they might love the next. This is especially true during the holidays. The excitement and change in routine can disrupt their normal eating habits. Remember that every child is different. Some children have specific preferences for taste and texture. What one child enjoys, another might reject. This is perfectly normal. It's important to respect your child's preferences while still encouraging them to try new things. Don't be discouraged if your child refuses to eat certain foods. It might take several attempts for them to accept something new. Just keep offering it to them in different ways. They might surprise you one day by taking a bite. The key is to be patient and persistent. With a little understanding and effort, you can help your child develop healthy eating habits. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Many parents face similar challenges. Holidays are a time for celebration and togetherness, but they can also be disruptive to children's routines. The excitement of the season, late nights, and sugary treats can all impact their appetite and eating habits. Children might be too distracted to eat regular meals. They might be overstimulated by the festivities and not feel hungry at their usual meal times. This is completely understandable. Try to maintain some sense of normalcy amidst the holiday chaos. Stick to regular mealtimes as much as possible. This will help regulate your child's appetite and prevent them from becoming overly hungry. If mealtimes are disrupted, offer healthy snacks throughout the day. This will keep their energy levels up and prevent them from becoming overly hungry, which can lead to meltdowns and tantrums. Dealing with picky eaters can be challenging, but there are strategies you can use. One effective approach is to offer simple alternatives if your child refuses a meal. A bowl of cereal or a piece of fruit is better than nothing. Adjust meal timing and portions to accommodate holiday schedules. Offer smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This can help prevent your child from becoming overwhelmed by large portions of food. Don't give up on foods your child has rejected in the past. Reintroduce them in different forms or with different seasonings. For example, if your child refuses steamed carrots, try roasting them with a touch of honey. Involve your child in meal planning. Let them choose between two healthy options for dinner. This gives them a sense of control and makes them more likely to try what they've chosen. Remember that flexibility is key when it comes to feeding children. Don't stress about making elaborate meals. Simple, nutritious food is always the best option. The goal is to create a positive and enjoyable experience around food. Be a positive role model for your children. Let them see you enjoying a variety of healthy foods. Children are more likely to try something if they see their parents eating it. Most importantly, be patient. It takes time for children to develop their palate and learn to enjoy new foods. Don't get discouraged if they don't take to something immediately. Just keep offering it to them in different ways, and eventually they might surprise you.